Hi everybody, I'm John Gastaska of the Corcoran Group, and I am very excited to give you a tour of 106 Central Park South, apartment 3A, one of Manhattan's most unique and exciting new residences. Follow me. This apartment has history. It was the former grand and glitzy ballroom of the Barbizon-Plaza Hotel, built in 1930. The owner bought the apartment, gut renovated it over 2 years and several $1 million later to create truly a work of art, which is evident the moment that you walk in the front door to this sculptural Ming Jade rotunda. And that just whets your appetite for what's yet to come. I feel like this apartment has surprises around every corner. Follow me. Every inch of this home exudes a very sexy and sophisticated vision, indicated by the approximately 60-foot undulating art gallery, large enough to house the finest of art collections, cherished collectibles, antiquities, you name it. But you ain't seen nothing yet. Welcome to the main focal point of the apartment, the approximately 1,100 square foot living space. 50 feet of Central Park frontage, floor-to-ceiling windows. I'm talking 15 feet high. The owner was inspired by the renowned Spanish architect Antoni Gaudí. Thus, the vaulted cathedral ceilings, massive columns, unbelievable attention to detail. The proportions are beyond generous. Room for formal dining, a gracious living room, and even an intimate sitting room. As you can see, this apartment is all about entertaining. What better way to entertain than a designer chef's kitchen? Open to the great room, it has top-of-the-line finishes throughout and every designer appliance imaginable. With approximately 3,000 square feet, the home has 3 beds, 3.5 baths, and a stunning master bathroom with a walk-in closet the size of a 4th bedroom. And the 2 front bedrooms are separated from the living space with these ultra-cool pivot paneled doors. If I haven't said cool enough, check out the ultra-cool smart glass frosted windows in the 2nd bedroom. Cool! And before you leave, hello, Manhattan! That never gets old. Last but not least, one of my favorite parts of this apartment, the 50-foot terrace. Front row seats to the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, to the New York City Marathon, or doing what I just did. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me of this phenomenal and very surprising apartment. I'd want nothing more than to show it to you in person.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?